Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the weakness continues, and I get it's one thing to say just the weakness continues, but let's just illustrate that. And the best way to illustrate this is when you just focus on the highs. So how high has the price gone with each upwards movement? And as you see here, including today right there, each of these bounces keeps getting lower and lower. Or if you want to envision these as stair steps, these stair steps continue on in the downwards direction. So while that's not a guarantee of anything, it does lead to a more than plausible or more than rational thought that, you know what, it's looking like there might be another push to the downside eventually coming sooner than later. Once again, let me be very clear. That doesn't mean that it's for sure going to happen. There's no such thing as a for sure. But is it at least a rational thought to have? Absolutely, because of the fact that there's very clearly still downwards pressure that's pushing down on things via those lower highs. And the level that is going to really be important moving forward, and the level that, to give credit's due, has done a fantastic job of holding strong, is right here at 48.5 cents. I mean, you go through the history of things, and you can see 48.5 held strong there, and then you go to late morning here. Once again, held strong. So there are definitely buyers at that level. It's just really a question of how much longer can these buyers hold up? Because, I mean, it keeps getting hammered and hammered and hammered. The bears keep knocking on the door. Once again, to be fair, the bulls have done a good job fighting off each of those attempts. But at some point, you got to think that the bulls are just going to wave the white flag. But moral of the story here, 48.5 cents is going to be a very important technical level that lots of traders will be watching. And in the event that level can't quite hold up, then at that point, could very well see the price down around the 46, if not even 45 cent mark. But don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because, like I said, so far so good. 48.5 cents is holding strong. If there is any sort of bounces to the upside, key level of resistance to watch going to be right up there at that 52 cent mark. So keep a close eye on that. But as of right now, yeah, things are looking kind of weak, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.